How to crack RAR password online. Go to ezyZip.com under Other Tools, navigate to the Password Recovery tool. Click Select RAR file to crack. To open the file chooser, or drag and drop the RAR file directly onto ezyZip. If you have a custom password list, enable Use My Own word list, otherwise ezyZip uses its built-in word list. Click Start Password Recovery, and the tool will begin testing passwords against your archive. This may take a while depending on the password's complexity. Once a match is found, the recovered password appears on screen. Click Copy Password to copy it. Now you can unlock the RAR file directly in your browser using the ezyZip RAR file extractor. In the file extractor, select the file, then enter the password you just recovered. You can now preview the contents of the file. If satisfied, you can save the files by clicking the Save button. It's that easy. Don't forget to like and subscribe. It would mean a lot to us.